If you're unable to log into your Fantasy Premier League account, do not worry. In this video, I'm going to show you several methods that you can try to fix the login problem. So first, make sure that you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your Premier League account. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to reset it. Then check your internet connection. Switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if the connection is unstable. Or you can also try turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it back off. And if you're using Fantasy Premier League application, open your device settings, go to iPhone storage, and here find the FPL application and select Offload app, and then reinstall it on your device. But in the case if you're using Android, you need to go to apps, find the FPL application, go to storage, and click on Clear Cache. Now ensure that your application is also up to date. To ensure that, you need to go ahead and open the App Store if you're using iOS devices and the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Then select FPL. And if you see an update button right here, select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. In the case if you're using the web browser to use Fantasy Premier League, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and clear the browser cache and cookies and all. Or you can also try using a different browser or an incognito or private window. Also disable any VPN or proxy service, as this can sometimes interfere with the login process. And if you're using Google, Apple, or Facebook to sign in, make sure that you're selecting the same sign-in method that you originally used to create your account. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. During periods of high traffic or maintenance, Fantasy Premier League service may be temporarily unavailable. So in that case, wait a while and try logging in again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again